All right, so this is gonna be a quick video showing you how to install the USB-C power pass-through door that comes with the Volta with your GoPro 10. It's gonna be very similar with the GoPro 9 as well. So basically all you're gonna do is pull down here, lift up, push this guy right in, and there you go. Nothing to it. It's very simple. It's easy to install, and then to take this off, all you're gonna do is pull down and pull up, and then just make sure you line that guy up. Again, line it up. There we go. And just like that, we now have our normal protective door on there as well. And just to make sure that you understand, when you install this, your GoPro is no longer waterproof. It is then just water resistant. So you'll probably be okay in the rain, but I would not drop this, go swimming with it when you've got this door in. So with that, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. And with that, have a great day.